Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about Microsoft Authenticator app setup. It's really simple to set this up and here's an example. So here we have Microsoft Authenticator and we're going to use it along crypto.com. So here you will have your two-factor authentication setup from a certain application. It's going to be either a code or a QR code. So all you have to do is go to the Authenticator app right here. So accept and then just press continue right here so you can either sign in with Microsoft, scan a QR code, or restore from backup. So let's skip all of that. So all you have to do is press add account, so other right here, and then you can also enter the code manually like we said, or you can scan the QR code. So we are gonna have our own actual code here, so copy the code basically, and then secret key, so name, just place that, press finish, and then you will have to basically just copy this, the one-time password code, and then verify it here and then paste it. And then press continue, and then it will be verified that your 2FA has been set up. And it's just that simple. So that is how Microsoft Authenticator works, and that's how you set it up. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.